is Anchor's Nebula Mars 2 Pro projector. The box comes with this projector, charger, remote and this guide. Now let's see the overview of this projector. This is lens cover. You can slide it down to power on the projector and lens will light on. Also, you can slide it up to power off the projector. This is the handle to carry the projector anywhere. Its weight is around 2 pounds. Now let's see the top view of the projector. These are LED indicators. On the other side of the projector, this is control button. These are navigation button, volume up button, volume down button. This is Bluetooth button and this is return or go back button. On side view, these are 10-watt inbuilt speakers on both the sides of projector. On the rear view of the projector, this is charging port, this is HDMI port, USB port and this is audio output port. This is infrared receiver and reset button. And this is air ventilation outlet. Now let's see the bottom side of the projector. On the bottom side, this is a tripod socket. So you can use your projector by mounting it on tripod stand also. This is air ventilation inlet. Now let's start the projection and let's see the different features of this projector. As you see here, this projector has autofocus technology to deliver razor sharp image. This projector uses Android 7.1 operating system. It has HDMI, file manager, app manager, network and settings. And inbuilt applications are Amazon Prime, YouTube, Netflix and Nebula Manager, and also YouTube and Peacock TV. Now let's see its resolution and brightness. This Anchor's Nebula Mars 2 Pro projector gives 720p resolution. 720p is the standard high-definition display resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels with progressive scanning at 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So, the native resolution of this projector is 720p and also it can support other 4K or 5K or any other HD videos. Because of auto keystone correction feature of this projector, if this projector is moved like this to certain angle, the screen will get automatically adjusted to rectangular shape. Now let's talk about its brightness. This Anchor's Nebula Mars 2 projector gives brightness of 500 ANSI lumens. As a rule of thumb, to achieve a bright image with good contrast in normal office lighting, allow about 500 lumens per meter. So, this projector can project a nice picture in normal office lighting as well. Currently, I am doing this projection at daytime. And as you see here, this projector gives really good brightness. and this projection is done at night time. As you see here, its brightness is very good and the picture is very much clear. This projector has extensive compatibility. You can connect and watch the content from HDMI and USB devices. Or you can mirror the content from your phone. Here is HDMI port, USB port, this is audio output and this is charging port. There are 3 ways to operate the projector: by using the buttons given on the top of the projector, by using the remote control, or by using Nebula Connect app. You can use your phone as a remote control to operate this projector. The good thing is that this is a portable projector, so it can be carried anywhere you want. This projector has powerful dual 10-watt speakers, so it gives blockbuster sound and it fills your entire room with truly immersive cinematic sound. So you will feel like watching a movie in real cinema theater. The projector has inbuilt battery to use it as a wireless or portable projector. After fully charging the projector, it can give you 3 hours of portable play time. Dear friends, so far I have tried many other projectors including Anker Nebula capsule, but I found this one better than all other projectors. This projector gives really good image in daylight. That's the thing which I like the most about this projector. If you have any question, you can ask in comment box. I will surely answer your questions. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to see more such useful videos. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you soon with my next video.